What is law of demand? Law of demand is a part of whole demand concept. And the law of demand means like considering all other factors constant, that we are considering all other factors that we have discussed here just before this, like considering these, we are considering these factors as constants. We say citrus paribus. Citrus paribus is a Latin word. It has the same meaning by considering all other factors constant. Okay. So citrus paribus. Now this is the form of a definition that I always like to write in definitions in a sign language. Like a citrus paribus, if price of a product or a good increases, then its quantity demanded decreases, and or vice versa. Like we can say, if the price of that good decreases, then its quantity demanded will increase. So this is what is the called as law of demand. Now, the quantity demanded, basically, why I have used the word quantity demanded here. So we have segregated, as I've already told you, that the demand is the whole curve. And we are segregating these two concepts with quantity demanded, word of quantity demanded, and the demand. Now, when I will use the curve of law of demand, that this segregation will be justified. Okay, have price of a product and the quantity demanded of a product. Like price means we have $2 price are in dollars. Like let us say price are in dollars and the quantity demanded are in, like we can say is it's in liters. So we have wrote the unit of this price and quantity demanded. Like if $2 we have a demand of 100 liters of our juice or any liquid. Okay, and if the price goes up, it is $4 now. Now we can say the quantity demanded has decreased to 80 liters. Like our total demand is now 80 liters. Total demand. Okay. So total quantity demanded of our product. So whenever we are looking towards the law of demand, we will always use this word quantity demanded. We will always use this word quantity demanded. Okay. Let us make a curve of demand. How to make the curve of demand? We will take two number lines. Okay. These are two number lines, and this is the origin from where we are starting. This is the origin. On this number line, we will take one variable like price. Okay, price is here. And on this number line, we will take quantity demanded. Okay. To draw this curve, we have to make this like a graph. Okay, graph paper. We have to make this like a graph paper. So making this a graph paper, we have to draw the boxes here. The boxes have the equal distance. All the boxes on a graph should have the equal distance. Like if we are starting from 2, then the next box will have the same distance like 4, and then the next box have the same distance of 2. Okay, this is 6, then 8, and then we can go onward. But we have to go to the maximum value of the price here. The maximum is $8, so that is sufficient for us to make a graph. Okay, now for quantity demanded, we have to go to the maximum like 100. So we can make a first box of first box of 20 quantity, then again 40, then it is 60, 80, and then we can draw 100. So now we have a graph paper. We have designed a graph paper. Okay, so all the boxes will have the same distance like 2. So if we have a price is 2, this is known as demand curve. This is the demand curve. Okay. This is demand curve. Now this is the whole demand. This is the demand curve. Okay. This is the whole demand. And the demand curve is basically explaining us multiple things. And the thing is that there is a negative relationship between price and quantity demanded. Why there is a negative relation? If we move from point A to point B, let us suppose that this is point B and this is point A. If we move from point A to point B, okay, what is happening there? The price is getting lower and the quantity demanding is increasing. Increasing. So this is the first scenario. Okay. And the second scenario is this. If we move from point B towards point A, what is happening? Still on the same demand curve. What is happening? The prices are rising and the quantity demanded is decreasing. Now it is decreasing and the price is rising. Okay. We are on the same demand curve. This is the demand curve. And the demand curve, if we move from point A to point B, our quantity demanding is increasing.